Hey guys, and welcome to another trading analytics video. I'm Trade Runner, and today we're going to be taking a look into AMC Apes and what they're willing to go to war with the company over, as well as what seems to be a resurgence in meme stocks for the year of 2023. But before we get into that, if you haven't already, hit that red subscribe button and click the notification bell if you enjoy this type of content. It really helps the channel out. Now let's get to the video. Now, AMC has been in the news this week, in part because the company is expected to announce its fourth quarter earnings on February 28th. And usually when a company this size, especially with this volatility that it's had historically, has an earnings report, it's generally a bullish signal. However, there is another reason why AMC has been in the news, and it's actually the reason why a lot of the current shareholders are willing to go to war over the stock. And it's because of fears of dilution. Now, the sentiment for this dilution stems from the AMC Ape or AMC preferred equity shares that were released a few months ago. And when it was announced, a lot of investors were like, hey, this is going to be great for the stock. It's going to be able to have investors be able to pile in and buy a little bit more cheaper equities in AMC to drive the stock price up. But a lot of other investors, the other side of the AMC Ape contingent, were like, this is just going to be a vehicle for massive dilution, and a lot of their fears are being played out as we speak. So the immediate reaction to these fears were actually the filing of a class action lawsuit against AMC to prevent its vote of asking shareholders to approve the right to authorize more shares, because more shares being authorized into the open marketplace or outstanding stock, that's going to lower the value of the stock. So this is more commonly known as a reverse stock split, and it's just going to drive the valuation down of the current shares that are being held by a lot of retail and institutional investors. Now, the main concern for investors who currently hold AMC stock actually stems from the fact that preferred shares, which the Ape equity actually is a contingent and built upon, it's valued at 1.8 times to 1 share of common stock, meaning that if you hold more preferred Ape shares, you actually have more say in voting rights when a shareholder vote like this is called upon. So they're seeing it as a way for the AMC board of directors and other decision makers within the company to get around the fact that a lot of the retail investors who hold common shares do not want the shareholder vote to go through by making by authorizing the issuance of the preferred stock into common shares. It's going to create an imbalance of power, and that's what the nature of this lawsuit is. So now, what's next for the stock? I mean, with earnings coming up, which is usually bodes well for AMC, we are looking at, potentially another short-term spike in the stock. However, on the news and this potential dilution, and as volatile as AMC has been in the past, we could also be looking at a massive pullback as a way to kind of stick it towards the investors. However, with such a strong contingent and strong fan base that AMC has, I can see the stock remaining stable for now. And as we get ready and head closer towards this news of the proposed dilution, as well as the earnings at the end of this month, we're going to see a spike of the share value in the very short term. So that's something to be excited about if you're an investor in AMC, and something to keep an eye on as you kind of scour the markets as a whole for the next few days. Now, AMC's recent movements have actually been really exciting for investors. We actually partook in some AMC trades over on our Discord server, with AMC calls returning over 67%. But in addition to the AMC play, we also took a huge return on our SPY levels, which are typically given in our servers every single day, returning over 150% on our SPY put levels before getting some profit on a scalp on the call side additionally. So here's just some of our previous trades on our Discord server. A link to that will be in the description of this video, as well as in our channel bio. So feel free to check that out when you guys get a chance. And in any case, I've been Trade Runner. This is Trading Analytics. A link to our Discord in the description of this video. Thanks for watching.